You know what's a total all-rounder? Almonds. These little nuts do so much for your body. Let me tell you where they work best for brain. Want sharp memory and better focus? Almonds are brain fuel. Eating soaked almond every morning boosts brain power and keep you sharp. For skin, if you want soft glowing skin, almonds are the way to go. Almond oil keeps skin hydrated, fight dryness and give a natural glow. For hair struggling with hair fall, almond oil make hair strong, shiny and reduce breakage. Just massage it in and see the magic. For heart health, almond keep your heart healthy. They reduce bad cholesterol, control blood pressure and improve overall heart health. For weight management, almond keep you full for longer, reduce cravings and help in healthy weight loss. Snack on them instead of junk. So yeah, almonds are must have. A handful every day can do wonders for your body. Try them and see the difference. Thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe this channel.